Hi guys, it's Mark from anypond.com, your trusted resource in the UK for ponds and water features. And today I wanted to shoot this quick video just to show you how to clean your filter system. So basically, when the pump is running, the water will come up through this side and basically go through the filter system and then back out the other side. When you want to flush the system, just switch the pump off, switch the UV off, then turn the this blue dial here, turn the dial to waste, and then connect your pipe onto this here. So it's basically a case of taking this coupler off, putting your bit of pipe on there, and then basically switching the pump back on, and then pulling this handle up and down about 9-10 times, something around that sort of time. On your bit of pipe there is a clear tube indicator, and you'll see when it's running clear. So you just need to do it until it starts to run clear. And then make sure that the handle is compressed down fully, and then just put the cap, take the hose off, and then put the cap back on, and then turn it around. When you're ready to put the water back into the pond, you just basically turn it back round to the pond so the arrow's facing back into the pond, and then switch the pump back on. So it's very simple. You just switch the pump off, turn the dial to waste, which comes out of here. It's very simple. There's lots of diagrams on top of the filter system. Pump the handle, switch the pump on, or switch the pump on and do the handle at the same time, whatever suits you. Let it run clear, and then basically switch the pump off, take the hose off, put the cap back on, turn the dial back to run to the pond. It will pump a little bit of dirty water back into the pond, but that's not a problem. It will basically filter it out within 24 hours. So there you go. Any questions, get in touch. You know how to contact me, mark@anypond.com. If you've got any problems, just give me a call, 01327 878 149, and I'll gladly help you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.